A lighting system on the floor will guide you to each of the exits. Please take a moment to identify the exit nearest you. It may be behind you. The emergency exits must always remain free of objects or baggage. If you require attention, please press the call button above your seat. From this moment on, all electronic devices must be turned off, including cell phones and airplane mode, that must remain off during the entire flight. Smoking is prohibited during the entire flight. Altering or manipulating the smoke detectors installed in the lavatories goes against the safety of this flight and may be penalized by the authorities. Please, fasten your seatbelt, return the seat back and the footrest to the upright position, and be sure that your tray table is closed and locked. Pull your window shades up for takeoff and landing. If you require more information, please consult our onboard safety information located in the back pocket of the seat in front of you, or speak with our flight attendants. We are committed to your safety.